Hello, welcome to my channel Sudhir Chemistry. But as we are discussing the SAQ, that is the 4 marks. Now this is another SAQ question and it is from same electrochemistry part. They are asking here, give the construction and working of a standard hydrogen electrode, that is a SHE, with a neat level diagram. So first of all, I will tell you how to draw the diagram of SHE. Do you know what is a SHE? SHE called as the standard hydrogen electrode. We will draw the diagram of it. See here, this is a glass tube, inverted glass tube, and in this inverted glass tube it is having a small opening, and through this small opening we are passing the hydrogen gas, right? It is having a plate, or we can say platinum foil, or we can say this is a PT. PT means platinum foil, right? It is having a platinum foil. But this completely platinum foil, or we can say it is a plate coated with a platinum foil, and we are sending the hydrogen gas through it. This everything can be deeper into the solution, but it will be kept into the beaker containing solution. What is this solution? You know, this solution is of acidic solution. It is deeper into the acidic solution whose concentration is 1 molar, and gas which one we are passing through it is at the 1 bar pressure. See what a condition is given. Pressure should be 1 bar. Solution of this acid solution is of 1 molar, and it is a platinum coated foil, or platinum foil we can say. So now this is a diagram which one we did here. But if we draw the diagram, we will get half mark, and we have to explain it now. See here, point number 1. What is a SHE? Standard hydrogen electrode is an reference electrode. Is it clear, beta? What is a SHE? So standard hydrogen electrode. This one is a reference electrode. Beta, it is used to measure potential. Second point, it is used to measure potential of half cell, or we can say it is used to measure the potential of a half cell electrodes. Half cell electrodes. What is a half cell electrode? You know, if this SHE, standard hydrogen electrode, if it acts as a cathode, other half cell reaction act as an anode. But if this one will act as an anode, another half cell electrode will act as a cathode. If this is anode, another one become cathode. If this is cathode, the another one become an anode. It depends. So it is a reference electrode. It is used to measure potential of the half cell electrodes, right? And its a potential, its SHE, its a potential is taken as 0. Beta, its a potential is taken as 0. Means it is a standard hydrogen electrode in which the platinum foil is there, or platinum coated foil. It is deeply into the solution, acidic solution whose concentration is 1 molar. We are bubbling the hydrogen gas through it. See beta, bubble means H2 gas will come out here. We are bubbling the hydrogen gas through it, and this is at the 1 bar pressure. So what is this one? It is a reference electrode. It is used to measure potential of half cell electrode, and its potential will be considered as what? 0. How many points over, beta? 3 points over. Beta, one more we can say. This is a 3 point over. The 4th point we will explain the cell. What is a cell? Beta, this SHE is a platinum coated foil. So I should write here SHE. I am explaining this diagram. Sir, SHE consists of platinum coated foil deeper into acidic solution whose concentration is 1 molar. Pass H2 gas at 1 bar through it. Yeah, beta, passing H2 gas through this at 1 bar. So pass the H2 gas at 1 bar through it. Now, what is this one, beta? This is the explanation of the cell. What is this one? It is about the SHE. What is the SHE? A reference electrode used to measure potential of half cell electrode. It is taken as a 0 and it consists of this diagram. 4 point is nothing but this diagram. Means it consists of a platinum coated foil deep into the acidic solution whose concentration is 1 molar. Pass the H2 gas at 1 bar to it. Up to your work. Now we will talk about the working. Means this is nothing but we can say, sir, this point is called as a construction. Now we will do better working on it. How it will work? So beta, it is nothing but a redox reaction. A redox reaction occur at the platinum electrode. Working beta. Redox reaction occurs at platinum electrode, because you can see beta, I kept here platinum foil and H2 gas passing through it. So now on this foil some redox reaction will occur. But a redox reaction occurs at platinum foil or at the platinum electrode. SHE act as anode, then other half cell electrode act as cathode, and vice versa beta, and vice versa, because if this SHE it act as a anode, means other half its electrode will act as a cathode, right? But if SHE act as a cathode, another half electrode will act as a anode. That's why I wrote here as a vice versa. But how to represent this one? See, first 3 point, then construction, then working, then how to represent this one beta? Representation I will write here. See, platinum foil means PT, beta, it is in solid form, because we should mention the physical state of this one. PT, it is in solid form. Then hydrogen in the form of gas pass through it. Sir, it is at 1 atmospheric pressure. Platinum foil solid, H2 gas, 1 atmospheric pressure. And now it is deep into the solution beta, acidic solution, correct? So now it is deep into the acidic solution, H plus. Sir, AQ is aqueous solution whose concentration is 1 molar. But what is this, you know? It is the representation of the SHE. It is a what? Representation of SHE. Is it clear beta? PT platinum H2 gas 1 atmospheric pressure, then acidic solution AQ, kept in the solution whose concentration is 1 molar. And if you want to write the reaction beta, we can write the reaction. SHE act as an anode, he says. But anode means oxidation will occur, right? Other act as a cathode. I'll take out beta. SHE act as an anode means oxidation will occur. Oxidation means loss of electron. So, but here you can see now in this one, sorry, I should write here as a vice versa. SHE act as an anode, other half cell electrode act as a cathode, and vice versa. This is the half cell reaction I wrote. You can see beta H2 whose oxidation number is 0 and H plus oxidation number is 1. 0 to plus 1. Beta 0 to plus 1 means it undergoes oxidation, and 0 to minus 1 it undergoes reduction. So if you write all these points, we are able to score beta 4 marks. So once again we will revise it. What we did in this one beta? We did what is the construction and working of SHE. What is the SHE? It is the reference electrode. It is the reference electrode. Beta, it is used to measure what? Potential of the half cell electrode. So it is the reference electrode. It is used to measure potential of the half cell electrode, and its potential is taken as what? 0. It consists of, you can see, platinum coated foil deep into the acidic solution whose concentration is 1 molar. Pass the hydrogen gas at 1 bar pressure through it. See, SHE consists of a platinum coated foil deep into the acidic solution whose concentration is 1 molar. Pass H2 gas at 1 bar through it. Working beta, reduction will occur at the platinum foil, platinum electrode. SHE act as an anode and other half cell electrode will act as a cathode, and vice versa. And this is a representation of standard hydrogen electrode. Is it clear beta? Right? So this is the one of the SAQ we did from the electrochemistry. What is that? Give the construction and working of a SHE with a neat label diagram. So we did here. First, if you draw the diagram beta, you will get the half mark. Write this 3 point, we will get the another half mark. We got the 2 marks here itself. diagram and this 3 point. What is a 3 point? It is a reference electrode, correct? It is a reference electrode. It is used to measure the potential of a half cell electrode and its potential will be taken as a 0. I repeat better. It is the reference electrode. It is used to measure the potential of a half cell electrode and its potential is taken as a 0. This 3 point and diagram if you write, we will get the 1 mark. But the remaining 1 mark for the explanation of the diagram called as a construction. What is that? SHE consists of a platinum coated foil deep into the acidic solution whose concentration is 1 molar. Pass the H2 gas through it. I must pass the H2 gas at 1 bar through it. If you write this point, we will get the remaining 1 marks. 2 marks over. Working better. Redox reaction occurs at the platinum electrode. SHE act as an anode. Other half cell electrode act as a cathode and vice versa. Right? This is another 1 mark, 3 marks. And representation of this one will get 1 more mark. That is the 4 marks. In such a way, in this one beta, we are able to score 4 marks. Right? Thank you beta. Thank you very much. In our next video, we will try to see another SCQ. Till that beta, take care. Bye.